This lesson is called Projects, Events, and Tracks. These are the basic building blocks of the Vegas experience. Vegas projects have a .veg, a veg extension, and the project file contains information about all the clips and their various positions within the project and their lengths, start times, and end times, information about the files but not the files themselves. The files are all contained externally to the veg file. In our project, we have events. Each of these clips on each of these tracks is an event. We have two types of tracks. We have video tracks and audio tracks. Video tracks, anything that can be displayed visually. Audio tracks, anything that contains sound. We can take a look at the properties of each clip by right-clicking and choosing Properties. This gives us information about the clip and the actual media file it comes from, size, format, etc. If it's an audio file, the attributes of the audio file. And we can also go to File, Properties, take a look at our project properties. Get used to using templates. As you see here in the Video tab, Vegas has already set up quite a few different types of projects, from 320 by 240, 15 frames per second multimedia, NTSC DV, NTSC DV widescreen, 24p, PAL, and then our HDV and HD presets. So, for example, if we want to create an HDV file, 1440 by 1080 at 29.970 frames per second, that's the starting point. Audio tab, stereo or surround in terms of the project default. That doesn't mean that we can't output a mono file. Stereo buses, that depends on how many buses we wish to have. We'll talk about stereo buses in great detail in the audio chapter. Sample rate, bit depth, resample quality. We can also set the ruler, SMPTE drop, SMPTE non-drop, measures in beats, time in frames. The Summary tab allows us to put detailed information about the project here, and if there's an audio CD associated with the project, we can input the universal product code or the catalog number here. Projects, events, and tracks in Vegas.